Good morning to all. In our classroom, we are using Microsoft tools to improve the students' English learnings, to identify the nouns, to learn about the verbs and use the picture dictionary. Let's see how to use this application in our classroom effectively.
Plate. Once. Oh. Time. There.
We can learn the picture of the nouns.
Upon. Grass. And. Tin.
We can learn easily the sentences and words. Finally, we can
Used. To.
we can also learn the
Travel.
picture of the word and verbs.
Across. Lacrosse. The rivers and mountains. To sell. He usually traveled with another merchant who also sold things made of brass and tin. They also used to buy things made of, to melt in, use. The second merchant was always greedy as he tried to pay as less as possible. One day, when they went to a town, they divided the streets of the town. They did not want to disturb each other while sealing. They moved through the streets they had chosen and called utensils made of brass. Utensils made of brass and tin for sale. In an old house there lived a woman and her granddaughter. That's so wealthy.
Like this, we can learn easily the English languages to verbs, meanings using OneNote. Thank you.